Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar has found renewed momentum after stepping closer towards that level of 73.70.85, and then as anticipated, demand did come back into play, or more to the fact, some profit taken as well. With a bullish outside range day posted, keep an eye on this pattern because the market may actually retrace slightly higher, with the RSI picking up a little bit. If it breaks the midway point, could see a retracement back towards this region around 75 cents and reassess from there. The market was weaker overnight after a slightly stronger CPI number in the US sent the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, to a fresh high of 100.40. This has put further pressure on the euro as it now heads closer towards its objective of 107.50.85. We are a little bit oversold here. I'm a little bit cautious as we get closer towards this bottom side of the range. As we recently see, there was a rejection from there. But then again, there was profit taking coming back into play from this current decline. So therefore, we may see this again as we get closer towards this bottom side around 107.50. Dollar yen posts a doji, which is indecisiveness, around that 125.5 mark. Keep an eye on this pattern because if we do see a break of the trend line, could see a significant downturn because we are extremely overbought. The ADX is overheating, and therefore, if we see a break that is towards the bottom side here around 124.70, that would give further indication for a strong downturn. That is for a move to around 121.5. Sterling still holding in just at 130 figure, and no doubt with the market currently looking at these technicals, we may see a little slight rebound. The only offset about this pattern is the ADX is still holding to a bearish trend, and therefore could see a little bit more weakness that is towards 129.40 if we do see a break. But I'd still like to see a further recovery from where we are, and that is to see a rebound back towards 131. Sterling Kiwi, well, the market got close to its objective. That was around near to 192 after getting to a high around 191 overnight. From the rejection has put a slight dampener on the price action pattern, and that is could see a pullback to 188.5. Gold is still a little bit stronger, and as we can see here, the market is still looking towards that top side after breaking higher. Post a fresh high of 1,779. The MACD is very weak in terms of this current 4-day trek to the upside. So I'm not supportive at these levels. I'd rather just sit out just for the moment, just to see where we go. But I feel the market is somewhat still holding to a negative case. We just need a little bit more of a weaker candle coming into play that could bring back the bears. A very strong rally overnight for oil. The market rebounded it close to this 92 area and posted a 6% rise, but still back towards that top side of the range around $100 a barrel. In light of the pattern, though, I'm keeping a very close watch because we could see the market turn around from here and head back lower again. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.